sentences. Are you confused, or you are a little hesitating or scared of making compound sentences? So I am very much sure that this lecture is going to remove all your doubts, all your hesitations regarding making this compound sentence. So actually, let us go together, you and I together. Let us learn what is compound sentence. Before moving ahead, I would like you guys to have a pen and a paper so that you can work out together with me, and at the end of the lecture you will be at a level, at par with compound sentences. Let us see. I'll tell you something. Have you heard about coordinating conjunctions? Have you heard about them? If not, then this you might have definitely heard of. These are the conjunctions which are known as coordinating conjunctions. So yes, now do you remember something like this that you have used multiple million trillion times in your content? Yes. So let's take let's write an example of few of them. Ready? Okay. So here I'm writing a sentence. Let's make a sentence on now. These are two sentences that I have written. Can you connect both the sentences? Can you pick the correct conjunction to connect the two ideas, two sentences? Let's see what out of the options will fit the perfect, or will be the perfect match to connect the two sentences. So tomorrow is a holiday. Yeah, something positive. I will be enjoying with my friend. Again, something positive. So what do you think? What would come? Tomorrow is a holiday. 4. I'll be enjoying with my friends. Yes. Tomorrow is a holiday and I'll be enjoying with my friends. Tomorrow is a holiday, so I'll be enjoying with my friends. Which out of these would you like to put? What about nor? Will it go? What about but, or yet? Can I say tomorrow is a holiday, yet I'll enjoy with my friends? No. Tomorrow is a holiday, but I'll still enjoy with my friends. Something like that? No, right? Really not. Now, let me tell you something. If I say tomorrow is a holiday and I join the sentence with for or with an or so. Now, why are these conjunctions important? First and foremost, let me help you out from this point. जब भी हम हमारा ऐसे लिखते हैं या हम रिपोर्ट राइटिंग करते हैं या स्पीकिंग करते हैं, तो कंजंक्शंस, कोई भी कंजंक्शन है तो वो क्या रोल प्ले करता है? ओके, सो हियर I can take either for, and, or so. Do you think that all these three conjunctions have same meaning or similar meaning? Let us see what is actually happening. Can I say tomorrow is a holiday, for I will be enjoying with my friend? Yes, the meaning of for and so, when I'm connecting the two sentences with the help of either for or so, it means that because tomorrow is a holiday, I'll be enjoying. Or as tomorrow is a holiday, I'll be enjoying. Tomorrow is a holiday, for I will be enjoying with my friend. कल हॉलीडे है, इसलिए मैं मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ में enjoy करने वाली हूँ या करने वाला हूँ. लेकिन and डाला तो इसका मीनिंग कैसा लगेगा, देखते हैं. कल हॉलीडे है और मैं मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ में enjoy करने वाली हूँ. So tomorrow is a holiday and I will be enjoying with my friend. So when we actually connect the sentences with and we put three options, we actually quite understand clearly that which is that appropriate conjunction that accurately, correctly connects both these sentences. So जब हम लोगों ने दोनों ही sentences को तीनों conjunctions के साथ में connect किया, तब हमको पता चला कि नहीं, एकदम perfect match है या तो for या तो so. तो अब actual में problem क्या आती है या conjunctions क्या role play करते हैं. Friends, जब हम IELTS का राइटिंग करते हैं या स्पीकिंग करते हैं, अगर गलती से भी हमने कोई गलत कंजंक्शन यूज़ कर लिया तो पूरा मीनिंग आइडिया का चेंज हो जाता है, जिसके वजह से एक मिसकम्युनिकेशन क्रिएट होता है एंड डेफिनेटली इसकी वजह से मेरा बैंड ड्रॉप हो जाता है. That is the reason it is very much important for you to work on the conjunctions. You have to understand each and every conjunction while you are using it, while you are learning to use it. Okay. ये तो हुआ एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल. चलो एक ट्राई करते हैं. मैं आपको कुछ सेंटेंसेस देती हूँ और आप उनको कनेक्ट करने का ट्राई करो. ओके, सो here are 5 sentences and you can take a few minutes and try to connect every 1 2 3 4 5. All the 5 have 2 sentences. So I would like you guys to understand what each 2 sentences are talking about, how they are connecting with each other. So depending on that, I would like you to try connecting all the sentences with appropriate conjunctions. You can pause the video and try making the sentences into one. Okay, so let's check the first one. It says, it started to rain. I opened my umbrella. So, according to you, which conjunction suits the best? Do you think for would go that because it started to rain, I opened my umbrella? So yes, we can put either for or so. So we can say that it started to rain, so I opened my umbrella, or it started to rain, for I opened my umbrella. Let's check the second one. I do not like coffee and I drank it. Do you think I can add and in it, or I can add nor or yet or for or so? Can I say I do not like coffee nor I drank it? If I say nor, then I have a past tense over here and I have a present tense over here. So both are in different scenarios. So nor won't be suiting here. So what if I say that I do not like coffee for I drank it? No, it's absolutely miscommunicating what I'm actually meaning to say. So I actually don't like coffee, but still I drank it. Means I do not like coffee yet I drank it. मुझे कॉफी नहीं पसंद, फिर भी मैंने पी. So I'll have yet as my conjunction. Let's see the third one. The dog did not like biscuits. It did not like milk. So which conjunction do you think suits appropriately? Can I say the dog did not like the biscuit, so it did not like the milk? No. Okay, let's see for the dog did not like biscuits, for it did not like milk. No, again this is not gelling the two sentences. Dog को biscuits नहीं पसंद थे और ना ही उसे milk पसंद था. So can I say the dog did not like biscuits, nor did it like milk? Did you get these right? Let's continue. I reached at my office early. I left from home early. So I think that this connection you might have felt a number of times in routine, isn't so? So I reached at my office early, for I left from home early. Or I can swipe them that I left from home early, so I reached at my office early. Let's check the fifth one. She was scared. She told a lie. So what, according to you, should be the correct conjunction? Can I say she was scared and so she told the lie? That is the reason why she told the lie. So friends, number of times when we are on the journey of preparation of IELTS, we tend to forget or we tend to avoid understanding the conjunctions. Remember, whenever you are using a conjunction, it becomes very much important for you to pick the correct conjunction to convey your idea or to connect your idea. By mistake, if you pick a wrong conjunction, that is going to convey the idea incorrectly. That is definitely going to take away the bands. So if this is going to take my band if I use it wrongly, then why should I use it? Okay guys, there is a very much I can say positive role of conjunction in our content. Whenever you just imagine if I'm speaking in this manner, won't I look a childlike or a childish? And I am preparing for my IELTS. Do you think such kind of simple sentences will have any place in the exam? No. Apart from this, when I am able to connect two sentences, I am actually conveying my idea correctly. If I say that it started to rain, full stop. I opened my umbrella, full stop. They are two independent sentences and hence they don't have any relationship between them. And conjunction actually helps you to develop the connection between the two sentences that you are thinking. So, do you think that you just made the compound sentence? Yes. So do you think that it's very much easy to create compound sentence just when you are adding such kind of sentences and making them one sentence? That is what? That is simply the compound sentence. So now today, now you cannot say that you don't know compound sentence. You have actually understood the compound sentence correctly. Go ahead, make few sentences like these and today itself master the compound sentence.